ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ಗೂ ನಿಮಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು 3D ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರಿಂದ 4ರಿಂದ 6 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು ಬರುವಂತಹ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಎ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. So let it be, say this one as A and this one as B. So a unit vector parallel to sum of the vectors. So what is the formula? Plus or minus A plus B by modulus of A plus B. So which is equal to plus or minus A plus B ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತದೆ? 3i plus 6j minus 2k by modulus of a plus b, root of 3 square 9, 6 square 36, minus 2 whole square 4. Hence plus or minus, this is nothing but 40, 49, root 49 is 7. Andre 1 by 7 into 3i plus 6j minus 2k. So the answer is option A. Next, example number 2. What is the magnitude of a plus 2b minus 3c? Already a, b, c vectors given to us. a plus 2b minus 3c. First of all, a plus 2b minus 3c ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂಡಿಡೋಣ? a ಎಷ್ಟು I minus j plus 2k, and next plus 2b, multiply b vector with 2, 4i plus 6j plus 2k, and next minus 3c, minus 3i plus 3k. So therefore I will get this is I plus 4i, 5i minus 3i, 2i, next minus j plus 6j, 5j, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೆ ಇಲ್ಲ 5j, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2k 4k plus 3k 7k. ಬಟ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ a plus 2b minus 3c. ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ a plus 2b minus 3c ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2 square 4, 5 square 25, 7 square 49. Hence this is nothing but this is root of 78. That's right. Option B right. If the points whose position vectors given to us, okay na, collinear, then the value of P is what? So let it be OA, this is OB, and here given to us OC. OA, OB, OC, andre ABC are collinear. So ABC are collinear, then the value of P. ABC are collinear andre first to find AB. AB means what? OB minus OA. Directly find out OB minus OA, 6i minus 2i, 4i minus 2j plus k ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ OB minus OA. And next find BC. BC means what? OC minus OB. So 14i minus 6i. So this is nothing but 8i minus 5j plus j minus 4j, and next p minus 2k. So that means p minus 2k. These two are collinear means their components are in proportional. That means 4 by 8 is equal to minus 2 by minus 4 is equal to 1 by pi minus 2. Components are in proportional. Okay. Hence this is 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by p minus 2. Hence 1 by 2 equal to 1 by p minus 2. Hence p minus 2 is equal to 2. P is equal to how much? 4. So the answer is option B. So it is a unit vector. Unit vector means what? What we will get unit vector andre, which is nothing but modulus is equal to 1. Okay na? Hence modulus of lambda into 2i minus 4j plus 4k is equal to 1. Okay, so that means lambda into root of this, how much we will get? 4 plus 16 plus 16 is equal to 1. Okay na? So therefore here modulus of lambda, hence modulus of lambda equal to this is how much? Root of 32 36 ಅಂದರೆ 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ is equal to 1. Hence modulus of lambda equal to this is root of 4 plus 16 plus 16, 32 plus 6. Hence modulus of lambda equal to 1 by 6. Lambda equal to plus or minus 1 by 6. So option A is the right answer. If ABC are the vertices of a triangle ABC, so see here this is ABC are the vertices of a triangle, then AB plus BC plus CA. Hence AB plus BC plus CA. So we can write as minus, see here, plus CA. We can write as what? Minus CA AC ಅಂತಾನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಥವಾ see here AB plus BC. See, first of all, AB plus BC I can write as AC, and next CA I can write as minus AC. AC get cancelled, 0 I will get. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸತಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಸಿ. ಸಿ ಎ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ 0. ಸೊ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Yes. Next. Here the important thing is that 2i 3j 5k, 2i 4j 5k, 2i 4j 7k are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Then its circumcenter is what? See here, first of all, I will give one technique to you how to find. So observe here, this 2 are same. Okay na? So then remove that one. Andre first of all 2i is same. So therefore option A, B, D ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏನೇನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ 3 5, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ 4 5, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಂದ 4 7 ಇದೆ. This you need to plot in the two-dimensional figure. So this is 5 7, this is 3 4, and now see here, first one is 3 5, second one is what 4 5, next one is what 4 7. Yes, this is a right angle triangle. Okay na? This is 3 5, and next this is 4 5, and this is 4 7. This is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle andre what is the circumcenter? Midpoint of the hypotenuse. So therefore x1 plus x2 by 2 andre estagutte 3 plus 4 7 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 5 plus 7 12 by 2 6. Yes, already first one is what 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದನಲ್ವ ನಿಮಗೂ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 7 by 2 6 ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ 2i ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7 by 2j ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6k ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ಕಮ್ಸೆಂಟರ್. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Example number 7. What is the angle between two vectors? Okay na? What is the angle between two vectors here? This is A bar and this is B bar. Okay na? So multiply madri amma, 6 2s are 12. Next andre A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 ನಾನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ therefore A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. So therefore this is 0. So therefore dot product is 0. A dot B equal to 0. So therefore A is perpendicular to B. Okay. So therefore 90 degrees is the answer. If the vectors are orthogonal to each other, orthogonal andre enu? Dot product is 0. Okay. So this is A, this is B. A dot B equal to 0. So that means what? 1 into lambda plus minus 12, 4 1s are 4 is equal to 0. Hence lambda is equal to how much? 8. So the answer is option C. Yes. So modulus of P, modulus of Q, angle between P comma Q is pi by 6 given to us. Then modulus of P cross Q whole square in terms of P cross Q. So therefore we have a formula sin theta is equal to modulus of P cross Q by mod P into mod Q. So theta given to us sin pi by 6 is equal to modulus of P cross Q by mod P is 2 into this is 3 modulus of Q. So sin pi by 6 is how much we got? So 1 by 2 is equal to modulus of P cross Q by 2 into 3. So hence modulus of P cross Q is equal to 3. So squaring on both sides 3 square 9. So the answer is option B. The vector area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given. So when A bar and B bar are the adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then what is the area? Vector area formula is A cross B. That means ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ? ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ. ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ? ಯು ನೋ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಎ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಬಿ. ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಐ ಜೆ ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 1 1 1. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 2 minus 1 2. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಐ ಇಂಟು 2 plus 1 minus j into 2 minus 2 plus k into minus 1 minus 2. Okay, hence this is 3I, this is 0 agutade, this is minus 3k, hence if you take 3 common, I minus k, so therefore option B is the right answer. If a line makes angles pi by 3, that means alpha given, beta given with x-axis and y-axis, then angle made by the line with the positive z-axis is how much? Andre gamma is equal to how much? Okay na? So therefore we have a formula by in the 3D, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So that means cos square pi by 3 plus cos square pi by 4 plus cos square gamma, I don't know, let it be 1. Pi by 3, cos pi by 3 is how much? Root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 by 2 andre 3 by 4 plus cos square pi by 4 1 by 2 plus cos, here cos square pi by 3, cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2 andre 1 by 4 whole is 1 by 4 agutade. This is okay, 1 by 2 cos square gamma equal to 1. Hence cos square gamma equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to LCM is 4. 4 minus 1 minus 2. Okay na? So that means this is cos square gamma equal to 1 by 4, which is nothing but 1 by 2 whole square, which is nothing but cos pi by 3 whole square. Okay na? So cos square gamma equal to cos square pi by 3. Hence gamma is equal to how much? Pi by 3. So option B is the right answer. Direction ratios of two lines are given to us. If these two lines includes an angle, so here direction ratios of one line given and direction ratios of another line given to us. So this is the direction ratios of first line A1 B1 C1, second line A2 B2 C2, and the angle between them is how much given to us? 45 degrees. So we know the formula cos theta is equal to modulus of A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. That apply madana cos theta already 45 degrees given, modulus of A1 A2. Okay, so that means 2k plus b1 b2 minus 3 plus c1 c2 10 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Cos 45 degrees we know very well, 1 by root 2 equal to, this is nothing but 2k plus 7 by, this is nothing but root of k square plus 34 into, this is nothing but 3. So what he is asking, what is the value of k? So just by using simplification method, andre by using verification method, I am putting k is equal to 4. Okay na? Substitute madi ikkade k equal to 4. You need to get 1 by root 2 left hand side. So k equal to 4 substitute madri, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 7 15 by k square 4 square 16, 16 plus 34 50. Root 50 is nothing but what? 5 root 2 into 3. Okay. So this is 5 3s are 15. So bantalva 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 same alva. So therefore the value of k is nothing but 4. Option A. The equation of the line passing through a point having direction ratios. See here, the equation of a line passing through the point and it is having the direction ratios 3, 2, 1. So we have a theorem and formula also. Equation of a line passing through x1, y1, z1 and having the direction ratios, parallel vector direction ratios are a, b, c. Then formula x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. Okay. So that only I am doing x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. So option A is the correct answer. And we are having here the equation of the line passing through 2 points. What is the formula? X minus x1 by x2 minus x1. This is x2, this is x1. x2 minus x1. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So the answer is x plus 2 by 5, y minus 1 by 5, z minus 0 by minus 1. So none of these is the answer. Option D. Angle between two lines. So here A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. So you know very well cos theta formula, modulus of A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 by root of A1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Hence cos theta is equal to, this is modulus of minus 3 is nothing but 3 by this is nothing but root 6 into root 2. Hence 3 by this is root 2 into root 3 into root 2. Okay, this is root 3 times get cancelled, root 2 into root 2, so that means root 3 by 2. Cos theta equal to root 3 by 2 ಅಂದರೆ theta ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು pi by 6. So option A is the right answer. The distance of the point from the plane. So here x1 comma y1 comma z1 is a point from the plane. Here ax plus by plus cz plus is equal to d. So what is the distance formula? Modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 minus d by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so here x1 y1 z1 2 0 minus 3, a value 5, b value minus 2, c value 0, d value also 0. Hence modulus of a x1 2 5s are 10 plus b y1 0 plus c z1 0 minus d 0 by root of a square 25 plus b square 144. Hence this is nothing but 10 by 13. Hence this is root 169 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 13 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Option A is the right answer. Equation of a plane passing through the point. Okay, equation of a plane, here is a plane passing through the point 1 comma 1 comma 1 and it is parallel to another plane. So x plus 2y plus 3z minus 7 equal to 0. Two planes are parallel to each other means their x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient are same and they are differ only in constant. Therefore equation of this plane is also x plus 2y plus 3z plus k is equal to 0. ನಾನು ಈ k ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 1 ಕಾಮ 1 ಕಾಮ 1. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ x1 y1 z1 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k equal to 0. Hence k is equal to what? Minus 6. Therefore k value ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. Therefore parallel plane equation is x plus 2y plus 3z minus 6 is equal to 0. Option A. Equation of a plane passing through 3 points. Okay, non-collinear points antaralva. So x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2 and x3 y3 z3. What is the equation of a plane passing through 3 non-collinear points? Determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. This is the formula concept. Okay, so we need to apply that one. Determinant of x minus x1 andre x, y minus y1 y plus 1, z minus z1 z plus 1, x2 minus x1 4 minus 0 4, 5 plus 1 6, 1 plus 1 2 and next 3 minus 0 3, 9 plus 1 10, 4 plus 1 5. Okay, is equal to 0. Expand ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದು x into 30 minus 20 minus of y plus 1 into 20 minus 6 and plus z plus 1 into 40 minus 18. Okay, is equal to 0. Hence this is x into 10 minus of y plus 1 into this is nothing but 14 and plus z plus 1 into 40 minus 18 22 equal to 0. 10x minus 14y minus 14 plus 22z and plus 22 equal to 0. So divide with this one with 2, 5x minus 7y plus 11z, 22 minus 14, how much it will be? 8. Andre divide with 2 plus 4 is equal to 0. So the answer is 5x minus 7y plus 11z plus 4 equal to 0. Option A. Thank you.